Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. I am also good. So today the date is 29th October 2020 and today the day is Thursday. Today is Thursday. What is day today? Very good. Now our subject is in EVS and day 29. So in subject EVS I have already told you about festivals. Okay. And you have already completed this page. The page number is 95. This page you have already done. And I have told you about Gandhi Jayanti, Republic Day and Independence Day. So on this page one thing more you have to do, you have to take out the stickers from this side and then you have to paste it at this place. What are these? Can tell me? Anybody can tell me? Kites. These are kites. What are these? Kite. So in our subject EVS, I will tell you how you will make a kite. Okay. So this is an activity that you have to do. A kite. Now today I will tell you how you will make a kite. What is this? This is a kite. Okay. So do you want to do this? Yes. Very good. Let's start. So students, to make a kite you have to take one square sheet. Okay, and here I have taken a yellow color sheet and it is in square shape. Square shape means equal from all four sides. So you can take any color sheet according to your choice. Okay, and after this you have to take another two square sheets like this. These are blue color sheet. Fine. So on these two sheets I am going to paste these two small square green sheets. Okay. So first you have to take this sheet, then you have to take two blue color sheets and then two small square green color sheets. Okay. Now I am going to put Fevicol on this and I will paste it here, and then I will put Fevicol on this and paste it here. Fine. Look carefully. So paste it on it, and in the same way you will paste this sheet also. Okay. So students, in this way you will prepare two another square sheets, and this sheet I am going to fold it. See, then you have to fold it like this. So in this way you have to fold one sheet and you have to paste it like this. Fine. And then another part of the sheet, this one you will paste on the top of this square sheet at this place. Okay. So this much is ready. Fine. Now can you see this? Then you have to cut two circles. Okay, and on these circles you have to put white paper. Now can you see this? I have pasted square one circle paper on this black circle and one white paper on this black circle. Now I am going to paste these black circles as an eyes of a kite. These are eyes of a kite. Now I am going to paste on it. See this. After this you have to draw a sleeping line and then a curve. This is a semicircle, and I am going to draw a mouth of this kite in semicircle shape. Okay, then you have to use a marker. So with the red paper I have take the cutout of a paper in a semicircle shape, and I will paste it in this mouth. Fine. So students, in this way you have to make a kite with square paper, and can you see the different shapes? Square, circle, semicircle. Can you see this? And this is a triangle. Fine. So make a kite, click the photograph and then send it to me. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.